In today's fast-paced world, making sure that our children eat a balanced diet can often feel like an uphill battle. With the allure of fast food, sugary snacks, and processed meals, it's no wonder that parents find it a bit challenging to introduce nutritious options into their kids' diets. However, creating healthy eating habits doesn't have to be a struggle. Nutrition plays a vital role in the growth and development of children. A diet focused on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can boost immune function, support healthy growth, and decrease the risk of chronic diseases later in life. Establishing healthy eating habits during childhood can set the foundation for a lifetime of good health. Here are some sneaky strategies to get your kids to eat nutritious food. Number 1. Make food fun. Children are more likely to eat something that looks appealing. Use cookie cutters to shape sandwiches, fruits, and vegetables into fun shapes. Create colorful fruit skewers or vegetable characters that spark their imagination. The more creative the presentation, the more enticing the food will be. 2. Involve them in the process. Children are more inclined to eat something they've helped prepare. Involve your kids in meal planning, grocery shopping, and cooking. Let them pick out new fruits or vegetables to try. In the kitchen, assign them age-appropriate tasks like washing vegetables, stirring batter, or assembling their plates. This not only makes them feel valued, but also piques their interest in the food they're eating. Number 3. Blend it in. Smoothies are a fantastic way to sneak in a variety of fruits, vegetables, and even grains. The natural sweetness of fruits, like bananas and berries, can mask the taste of spinach or kale, making it a hit with the kids. You can also add oats or chia seeds for an extra fiber boost. Present it in a colorful cup with a fun straw to make it more appealing. Number 4. Smart substitutions. Make small, smart substitutions in meals that your children already enjoy. Use whole grain pasta instead of regular, add pureed vegetables into pasta sauces or soups, and opt for baked sweet potato fries instead of fried. These substitutions can significantly enhance the nutritional value of their meals without compromising on taste. Number 5. Educate through experience. Turning a trip to the farmer's market or the grocery store's produce aisle into an interactive learning experience can profoundly impact a child's relationship with food. This strategy elevates the routine task of shopping into a fascinating exploration of food's journey from its source to the family table. It offers a unique chance to teach children about the origins of their food, highlighting the value of fresh ingredients and the significance of supporting local farmers and sustainable practices. Engaging directly with growers or simply discussing the process of how food is cultivated and harvested can instill in children a greater appreciation for the meals they eat. By encouraging children to select a new fruit or vegetable during each visit, parents can introduce a sense of discovery and experimentation into their dietary habits. This proactive involvement allows children to exercise autonomy over their food choices, making them more inclined to try and enjoy new and diverse flavors and textures. Such experiences not only educate, but also cultivate a child's curiosity and openness to experimenting with food, laying the groundwork for a lifelong interest in and commitment to healthy eating. Number 6. Healthy snacking. Ensuring that healthy snacks are easily accessible to kids is a strategic approach to encourage them to make nutritious choices independently. Children, much like adults, often opt for the most convenient option when it comes to snacking, especially during moments of hunger or when in need of a quick energy boost. By stocking up on a variety of healthy snacks, such as freshly cut up fruits and vegetables, a selection of nuts, yogurt, and whole grain crackers, parents can subtly steer their children towards better eating habits. Preparing these snacks in advance and portioning them into snack-sized servings further simplifies the process for kids, making it almost effortless for them to reach for a healthy option. This not only promotes independence in making healthy food choices, but also introduces them to a variety of nutritious foods in an appealing and accessible manner. Having these healthier options readily available in the home encourages children to familiarize themselves with the tastes and textures of whole foods, laying a foundation for a lifelong preference for nutritious eating. By involving children in the selection and preparation of these snacks, parents can foster a sense of ownership and excitement toward eating healthily. This proactive approach not only makes healthy eating more convenient, but also more engaging and enjoyable for children, helping to instill positive food habits that can last a lifetime. Number 7, be a role model. Children naturally look up to adults and often copy their behaviors, attitudes, and habits. Because children are constantly looking at us, then parents and caregivers should aim to instill healthy eating habits in their young ones. When children observe the adults in their lives consistently choosing nutritious foods and expressing enjoyment and consuming well-balanced meals, they begin to perceive these choices as desirable and normal. It's crucial, therefore, for parents to not only talk about the importance of healthy eating, but to actively demonstrate these values through their own food choices. Sharing meals as a family as frequently as possible becomes more than just a time for bonding. It transforms into a live, interactive session where children can learn by example. During these shared meal times, parents have the unique opportunity to showcase a variety of healthy foods, explain their benefits in simple terms, and model a positive relationship with food. This approach not only educates children about nutrition, but also encourages them to develop a curiosity and appreciation for a wide range of healthy foods from a young age. Number 8, reward system. Instead of using food as a reward, create a reward system for trying new foods. This could be a sticker chart where they earn a sticker for each new food they try. Once they've collected a certain number of stickers, they can exchange them for a non-food reward, such as a small toy or extra playtime. Number 9, flavorful additions. Sometimes, all it takes to make vegetables more appealing is a little flavor boost. Experiment with herbs, spices, and dressings to find combinations that your kids enjoy. A dash of Parmesan on broccoli or a light honey glaze on carrots can transform their taste. Number 10, patience and persistence. Introducing new foods can be a slow process. It's normal for children to be hesitant about trying new things. Offer new foods alongside their favorites without pressure. It may take several exposures to a new food before they're willing to try it. Be patient and persistent, but not forceful. Incorporating nutritious foods into your children's diet doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a little creativity, involvement, and patience, you can make healthy eating a fun part of your daily routine. Remember, the goal is not just to get them to eat their greens today, but to instill healthy eating habits that will benefit them for a lifetime. By employing these sneaky strategies, you're nourishing their bodies and teaching them the importance of taking care of their health.